A lot of people are having their brains blown out by MSRP hikes. Okay? MSRP hikes, I told you were coming months ago. It's not a I told you so. It is a fulfillment of prophecy. It is, I knew this is hard fact. And the reason being is all of those dealer tack-ons, all those added fees and added this and added that are now being enveloped into the cost of the personal watercraft. When an MSRP is announced, I only know automotive, but in order for an automotive manufacturer to change the MSRP mid-year, it is through Standards and Trades Commission. It is an actual legal petition. It's a massive pain in the ass. I do not know for fact when it comes to manufacturers. I can presume Yamaha, Cowie, Sea-Doo, that it's the same problem, but I do not know for a hard fact. But my presumption is that it is still that much of a pain in the ass. So, Sea-Doo, Cowie, Yamaha, all of a sudden their costs come up, their costs rise up, and they're not going to eat it. They're not going to eat those added costs. Those costs get handed down. Okay, it's got to come out of the customer. So all these companies or all these dealers have to factor in these added costs because they're not going to eat $2,000, $3,000 of added expense of shipping, added expense of shipping parts to manufacture it, added expense of all the different efforts to build your ski. So what happens? People start complaining. They go on Facebook, they go on Twitter, they go on Instagram, they start bitching and showing, look at all the add-ons that this dealer hit me with. All right? And that's a deterrent for future sales. So rather than having a dealership factor in all these add-ons, tack on all these add-ons at the end, they have factored in all of these new costs in today's economy with today's inflated dollar values into the cost of a new vehicle. All right. We're looking at costs of 10, 15, 18% for increases, MSRP increases. All of that is factored into the new value, the new lowered value of the dollar. Your dollar means less. That's where you're at. That's why the MSRPs have gone up. They have. All right. The cost of doing business. Sea-Doo during their dealer meeting on Sunday night, they're like, listen, we were so desperate to get product out, we were literally putting boxes of parts from overseas on commercial 747s and flying them over. They're like, we've made 15,000 different manufacturing changes just to try to streamline it and lower the costs. And it still hasn't done it. It would have been worse had we not. So these are a lot of big efforts. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.